Ever wondered what makes sushi so tantalizingly delicious? It all starts in the land of the rising sun, where sushi, a delectable blend of vinegared rice and a variety of ingredients, was born. This artful culinary creation, originally a means of preserving fish, has evolved over centuries into a global gastronomic sensation. The beauty of sushi lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. The fish, in particular, plays a starring role. Imagine a slice of fresh, succulent fish draped over a bed of perfectly seasoned rice, creating a harmony of flavors that dance on your palate. Sushi is not just about taste, but also about the visual presentation and the experience it delivers. Each piece is a work of art meticulously crafted by the hands of skilled sushi chefs. In the world of sushi, not all fish are created equal, as some species have risen to become the stars of this culinary stage. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of sushi and explore the 3 most popular fish species used in this culinary art. When it comes to sushi, the first fish that probably comes to your mind is tuna. And you're not alone. Tuna, or maguro as it's known in Japan, is a sushi favorite around the world. But did you know there's more than one type of tuna? That's right, there's a whole cast of characters in the tuna family, each bringing their own unique flair to the sushi table. There's the bluefin tuna, the star of the show, prized for its fatty belly meat known as toro. This delicacy is highly sought after for its melt-in-your-mouth texture and rich, buttery flavor. Then there's the big-eye tuna, a close relative of the bluefin. This variety is somewhat leaner, but still offers a luxurious taste that is enjoyed by sushi connoisseurs. And let's not forget the yellowfin tuna, or ahi, which is leaner still, but with a robust flavor and firm texture that makes it a popular choice for sushi and sashimi dishes. So why is tuna so popular in sushi? Well, it's all about the flavor profile. Tuna has a unique taste that's rich yet subtle, allowing it to blend seamlessly with other ingredients without overpowering them. Its firm yet tender texture provides a delightful contrast to the soft vinegary rice and crisp nori seaweed, creating a harmonious balance that's simply irresistible. But it's not just the taste that makes tuna a sushi staple. There's also the tradition. Tuna has been an integral part of Japanese cuisine for centuries, and its use in sushi is a testament to this enduring culinary heritage. In fact, the importance of tuna in sushi cannot be overstated. It's the fish that launched 1,000 sushi rolls, the cornerstone of countless sushi platters, and the star of many a sushi chef's repertoire. Clearly, tuna plays a starring role in the sushi world, but it's not the only fish in the sea. There are other players waiting in the wings, ready to make their mark on your sushi experience, but that's a tale for another scene. For now, let's bask in the glory of the tuna, the undeniable star of sushi. If tuna is the star, then salmon definitely secures the title of the most flavorful choice in sushi. Ah, salmon. This beautiful orange-hued fish didn't start as an original player in the sushi game, but as it often occurs in gastronomy, evolution and innovation have their way of shaking things up. Introduced into sushi in the early 70s, salmon swiftly swam its way into the hearts and bellies of sushi lovers worldwide. So what makes salmon such a standout? Well, it's all about the flavor. Unlike its counterparts, salmon possesses a rich, fatty taste that is both delectable and distinct. When paired with sushi rice, the balance between the sweetness of the rice and the richness of the salmon creates a harmony of flavors that is simply irresistible. It's a dance of taste that leaves your palate craving more with each bite. But it's not just the flavor that makes salmon a favorite. Its texture plays a significant role too. The buttery softness of the fish melts in your mouth, providing a tactile experience that is just as satisfying as the taste. It's a sensory delight that makes salmon a top pick for sushi. Moreover, salmon's popularity isn't confined to Japan alone. Around the world, from the sushi bars of New York to the bustling markets of Sydney, salmon has become a staple. Its global appeal is a testament to its versatility and universal charm. Yet the story of salmon in sushi doesn't end there. Its journey is intertwined with the ever-evolving world of sushi, where tradition meets innovation. As sushi chefs experiment with different cuts and preparations, salmon continues to prove its worth as a flavorful choice. Salmon's journey in sushi is a tale of flavor, texture, and global appeal. Its distinct taste and buttery texture have made it a favorite amongst sushi lovers, and its versatility promises a future where salmon continues to shine. Salmon adds a rich and fatty taste to sushi, making it a delightful choice for many. Yet there's another fish that is equally important. Yellowtail, often overlooked, yet it's an underrated hero in sushi. Yes, it's true. In the realm of sushi, where tuna and salmon often steal the spotlight, there lies an unsung hero, the yellowtail. Unassuming yet impressive, yellowtail is a sushi ingredient that deserves much more recognition than it currently receives. Yellowtail, or hamachi as it's known in Japan, is a fish that has a unique texture and flavor profile. It has a rich, buttery texture that just melts in your mouth, providing a sushi experience that is truly one of a kind. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, a little bit sweet, a hint of tang, and a surprising, delightful richness that leaves you wanting more. What makes yellowtail such an underrated hero? Well, it's its versatility. Yellowtail can hold its own against the robust flavors of soy sauce and wasabi, yet it's subtle enough to be enjoyed in a simple sushi roll. It's this balance of strength and subtlety that makes yellowtail a must-try for any sushi lover. But the magic of yellowtail doesn't stop at its taste. It's also a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. So not only does it taste good, but it's also good for you. Moreover, yellowtail is available year-round, making it a reliable choice for sushi chefs and enthusiasts alike. Whether it's the peak of summer or the dead of winter, you can rely on yellowtail to bring a burst of flavor to your sushi. In the world of sushi, where the spotlight often falls on the more popular choices, it's easy to overlook the humble yellowtail. But once you've tasted its rich, buttery goodness, you'll understand why it's an underrated hero. So the next time you find yourself at a sushi bar, don't just settle for the usual. Venture out of your comfort zone and give yellowtail a try. You may just find your new favorite sushi ingredient. While yellowtail may not be as famous as tuna or salmon, it certainly holds its own in the world of sushi. So, we've explored tuna, salmon, and yellowtail, the three popular fish species used in sushi. We've journeyed through their flavors, textures, and the roles they play in the world of this delightful Japanese delicacy. Let's take a moment to reflect on these three stars of sushi, their unique characteristics, and the harmony they bring to the sushi experience. Firstly, we have the tuna, the Oscar winner of the sushi world. Its rich, buttery texture and subtle sweetness make it a favorite among sushi enthusiasts. Whether it's served as a nigiri, with a slice of fish over a mound of rice, or rolled into a maki, tuna's distinct flavor profile shines through, making it an essential part of the sushi repertoire. Next, let's talk about salmon, the versatile star that has won hearts globally. With its vibrant color and melt-in-your-mouth texture, salmon brings a sense of luxury to every sushi dish. Its rich, fatty flavor is a delightful contrast to the vinegared sushi rice, creating a balanced bite that leaves you wanting more. Lastly, but by no means least, there's the yellowtail. Often underrated, this fish species is the unsung hero of sushi. Its delicate, sweet flavor, paired with a firm yet tender texture, offers a unique sushi experience. Yellowtail is like the supporting actor who steals the show, leaving a lasting impression with its subtle yet distinct taste. These three fish species, tuna, salmon, and yellowtail, each bring something unique to the table, but together they form a trio that embodies the essence of sushi. They are the heart, soul, and spirit of sushi, each playing their part in creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. So next time you're enjoying a sushi meal, take a moment to appreciate these stars of the sea. Their journey from the ocean to your plate is a story of tradition, artistry, and culinary mastery. Remember, sushi is an art form, and these three fish species play a crucial role in creating that perfect piece of sushi art. So sushi lovers, how many of these fish species have you tried in your sushi? As we conclude our journey through the art of sushi, remember that the heart of the sushi experience lies in exploration. Every piece of sushi is a delicate balance of flavors and textures, with each fish species offering a unique taste. Whether it's the rich, buttery flavor of the bluefin tuna, the light, delicate taste of the yellowtail, or the robust, full-bodied flavor of the salmon, each bite is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Just like the art of sushi, your journey is only beginning. There are countless combinations of fish, rice, and nori to discover. And who knows, maybe you'll find a new favorite along the way. So roll up your sleeves, grab your chopsticks, and dive into the world of sushi. Thank you for joining us on this sushi journey. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Keep exploring the sushi world.